Part 20 Shopping, Clothes, Shoes, Prices and Bargaining English. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Isha. I'm very happy to see you again. Today we're going to learn English for shopping. We'll practice how to talk to shopkeepers, ask about clothes and shoes, ask about prices, choose sizes and colors, and bargain politely. These are useful English conversations that you can use while shopping in real life. So, relax, listen carefully, repeat every sentence after me, and speak with confidence. Let's begin. Lesson 162, Entering a Clothing Store. Hello. Hello. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a shirt. What kind of shirt are you looking for? I'd like a casual shirt. What size do you need? Medium, please. What color would you like? I'd like a blue one. Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. Now repeat the conversation. Excellent. Lesson 163, Asking about size. Excuse me. Yes? Do you have this shirt in a larger size? Let me check. Yes, we have a large. Can I try it on? Of course. Where's the fitting room? It's over there. Thank you. How does it look? It fits perfectly. I'll take it. Excellent. Lesson 164, Shopping for Shoes. Hello. Can I help you? Yes. I'm looking for a pair of sports shoes. What size do you wear? I wear size 9. Would you like to try these? Yes, please. How do they feel? They feel comfortable. Do you have them in black? Yes. Here you are. Thank you. I'll take these. Excellent. Lesson 165, Asking about the price. Excuse me. How much is this jacket? It's 2000 rupees. That's a little expensive. Is there any discount? Yes. We can give you a 10% discount. That's great. What's the final price? It's 1800 rupees. Okay. I'll buy it. Thank you. You're welcome. Lesson 166, Bargaining politely. Imagine you're shopping in a local market. How much is this bag? It's 1000 rupees. Can you give me a better price? I can give it to you for 900. Could you make it 800? Sorry, that's too low. How about 850? Okay, 850 is fine. Thank you. You're welcome. Remember, when bargaining, speak politely. You can say, could you give me a better price? Is there any discount? Can you make it a little cheaper? Excellent. Lesson 167, Asking about color. Do you have this dress in another color? Yes, we have it in black, blue, and green. I'd like the black one. Certainly. Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. Do you have it in a smaller size? Yes. Let me get one for you. Excellent. Lesson 168, Returning an item. Excuse me. How can I help you? I'd like to return this shirt. Is there a problem with it? Yes. The size doesn't fit me. Do you have the receipt? Yes. Here it is. Would you like an exchange or a refund? I'd like an exchange, please. Certainly. We'll help you find the right size. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Lesson 169, Shopping Vocabulary. Today's important words. Shopkeeper, size, color, price, discount, receipt, exchange, refund, fitting room, comfortable. Repeat after me. How much does this cost? Do you have a larger size? Can I try this on? Is there any discount? Can I get a receipt? I'd like to exchange this item. Wonderful. Lesson 170, Pronunciation Practice. Repeat after me. Discount, discount, receipt, receipt, exchange, exchange, comfortable, comfortable, refund, refund, shopping, shopping. Excellent. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Lesson 171, Listening Practice. Now listen carefully. Yesterday, I went shopping for a new pair of shoes. I found a comfortable black pair in my size. The original price was 2,500 rupees, but the shopkeeper offered me a discount. I tried the shoes on and decided to buy them. The shopkeeper gave me the receipt, and I left the store happily. Now answer. What did the speaker buy? A pair of shoes. What color were they? They were black. Did the speaker get a discount? Yes. Excellent. Lesson 172, Speaking Confidence. Repeat after me. I can speak English while shopping. I can ask about prices. I can ask for different sizes. I can choose the right color. I can bargain politely. I can communicate confidently. I am improving every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I believe in myself. I will become fluent. Fantastic. Final shopping challenge. Now imagine you're shopping for a shirt. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for a casual shirt. Do you have this in a medium size? Can I try it on? How much does it cost? Is there any discount? Could you give me a better price? I'll take it. Could I have the receipt, please? Thank you. Excellent. Now you can use these sentences in a real shopping conversation. Congratulations! You've completed part 20 of our English speaking practice series. Today you practiced shopping English, clothes, shoes, prices, sizes, colors, discounts, bargaining, exchanges, and refunds. Remember, you don't need complicated English to communicate. Simple English, clear pronunciation, and confidence. That's what matters. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to create more practical English lessons, real-life conversations, vocabulary, pronunciation, listening practice, and speaking exercises. In the next lesson, we'll practice English for friends, relationships, feelings, invitations, and social conversations. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English every day. I'm Isha. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.